What's happening, guys? Jet here. Welcome to Cut and Cook, where I pair an iconic knife, which is the Japanese Santoku, with an iconic Asian dish, which in this case is going to be chicken chili stir fry. I'm going to show you all the secrets on how to cut and cook like a pro. So the Santoku is that perfect balance point between an Asian cleaver and a French chef's knife. It can give you a really aggressive chop, but it can give you a really nice slice as well. So the first thing I'm doing is Lyonnaise cutting onion, which just means slicing, but with the ribs. I like to large dice bell pepper by cutting the end off the back and just a little off the front. I come in from the sides and I open up the bell pepper as I slice, so I get one giant tile. I cut it into thirds, lay the thirds on top of each other, and then just dice it into large dice. I'm cutting a green bell pepper because I think they taste a little more earthy and bitter, whereas the reds are sweeter. For green onions, I want to keep them large, so I take the tip and the root off and cut them into 2-inch lengths. As for garlic, I keep it really rough. Smash them flat and just give it a rough chop pass. I cut the chicken breast into thirds, then quarter turn into thin strips. So I'm gonna heat up my wok and put in some high temperature oil. Once the wok is hot, I like to start with the garlic, the peanuts, and chili peppers. I want to cook the chicken mostly through, but browned on the outside. Then I'm adding my bell peppers until they soften a little bit. It's time for onions. I'm seasoning with oyster sauce and chili crisp. I'm gonna stir that together until well combined. I'm putting this over some brown rice and garnishing with some thin sliced green onions. And that's how you cut and cook chicken chili stir fry with a Japanese Santoku.